Good afternoon. My name is Sam Kim, VP of Banking Platform for Prelim, and this is Hang Chan, co-founder, CEO of Prelim. With literally hundreds of fragmented banking systems across the industry, automation and end-to-end delivery of banking platform has been made extremely difficult. And as former bankers, we understand the problem that can present in customer experience as well as employee productivity. Prelim, we're the game changer. We are allowing us and financial institutions to deliver products and services with integration via API, allowing us to deliver a singular, unified experience for both customers as well as users and employees. And over 5 years, we created this product and the platform with feedback from dozens of banks. Some of the banks are First Republic, City National, and Pacific Western Bank. And we're excited to share this launch with you.
Before I get started on my demo, I'd love to take a quick poll of the audience. Who here has an iPhone? Good. Who here has an Android phone? Okay, good mix. I'm here to show you today that if you know how to download an app on the App Store or Google Play, you can build a financial application for your bank or financial institution with Prelim. So we'll take a big risk and we'll build a live application together. First of all, you're seeing here is in our customer deployment, on day one, you get pre-installed application. So it's actually easier. So I'm gonna actually build an application, and I'll do it with one hand. I see the App Store here installed, and the purpose of the App Store is for you to automate the application. So connect to your core, verify identity, make decisions in an automated way. That way the customer doesn't have to wait for someone at the bank to complete a task. So what we'll do is, we know the stock market's not doing too well. We see a few applications that come out of the box with Prelim. What I'm gonna do is, let's say I wanted to build a new product. The product I'm gonna build is a business CD account. I'm gonna go download a template from Prelim. And you're seeing here, this is our enterprise application. I'm gonna go upload a file. I'm just gonna drag and drop this business checking application because I know on a business CD is actually very similar. So in a few seconds, what we're gonna do is automatically build a business CD account. And so you see it's been built. I'm still using my one hand. I'm just gonna go and type in business CD. And all I really need to do to make this live is go in my UX builder and hit save and publish. What you're gonna see here, the whole application has actually already been built. So all the questions you need, all the data points, all the integrations, they've already been pre-built. We have rules that automate actions, and everything's integrated with your core out of the box. So why don't we actually run through a live application, the one that I just built. And so what we're gonna see here on the right-hand side is a customer experience. I'm gonna refresh my screen to make sure I can see that CD I built. Now I'm gonna use my two hands. So I see the first application is a business CD. What I'm gonna do now is run through it as a customer of your bank, this new product I just built. I'm gonna go here and click a test. And what if I wanted to help as a business banker at your bank? So I'm gonna go to my left-hand side, which is the employee experience. I'm gonna click into this application that I see this person just started. And now I'm gonna click preview. And what should happen is, if I did this correctly, I'm gonna type in information on the right-hand side as a customer. I'm gonna refresh my screen. And what should happen is, you should be able to see it change on the left-hand side as well. And the whole point of this is, the business customer should be able to get assistance from the bank. So you're co-piloting with this customer in real time. And now, I would just show a more enlarged screen for the enterprise, the customer side. I'm gonna fill out some information about my business. The point of this is the business is actually gonna get verified in real time using our APIs. So we're gonna be able to verify your business identity without you having to turn in any paperwork. I'm gonna go through and provide some basic information about the business. As soon as I click this button, we've actually already verified it on the back end. And I can show you that later if you wanna come by our booth. Now we're gonna provide some information about myself. It's pre-filled my information because it knows who I am. I'm also gonna say I'm an owner. I'm gonna say I'm a signer, entity manager, and the purpose is this is pre-filling the whole application downstream. One of the other verifications that we allow you to do is to verify your identity as a person who's in charge of that business. So we support a number of different countries. I'm going to hit select here. I'm going to upload my driver's license right there. And we're using machine learning to help verify this person's identity. And we can do this at the point of sale. So you don't have to actually wait for someone at the bank to review their file. And so now it's going to process the ID and make sure that it's a real ID, not a not a fake ID. And now we're going to verify that I am the person in the ID. I'm going to look to the left, to the right. And if I pass the test, I can move forward in the application process. And so you give it a second. Looks like I passed. And I'll keep on going. You can invite other team members to the application. You can go and, because I said it was an entity manager, it's pre-filling my information. It knows almost everything about me besides my ownership percentage and my social security number. And this is information it got off of my ID. And I'm going to also say I'm a signer. I'm going to hit continue. And now the great thing is, what if you wanted to add more product and services to this new business customer you're onboarding? Maybe they want a business debit card. They also want a credit card. And they want to sign up for online banking. You can enable all of that from Prelim, all using the same single interface. And you can also help them fund the account. I'm going to do a bank-to-bank transfer. And I'll skip this, but this is an integration we have with Plaid that allows you to authenticate that they own a bank account. I'm going to hit no and hit out and continue. And last but not least, I'll sign my documents in DocuSign. And that allows me really in a few minutes to build an application and also show you live that you can actually open a bank account and set up a business customer with all the services they need. And I'll hit continue. We've pre-filled the application. Hit finish. And the account's open. And it's connected to the core, and everything's done, and you're set.